The customization options that we utilize within our course delivery model is based on how we create our entire open enrollment library. We create it using a modular structure. And so when you create learning based around specific topics or specific learning outcomes, when we have agencies or departments come to us and want to utilize a very agency-specific course design that we may not have in our open enrollment course library, what is really nice is that we can go through and search through these topics and then really pick and pack what we can put together in a customized course experience for them. They may come in wanting to do project management training, but they want a little bit of emotional intelligence tossed in or a little bit of leadership because they have a group of people that are managing projects right now, but they're trying to get them into a leadership capacity. So being able to utilize those modules in different ways allows us to create that customized experience for them. Agencies are coming to us asking for customized packages, and I think that that's in order to be able to meet what their individual goals are. And so as the learning design team, because we have expertise in crafting that customized experience and a learning experience that's very catered to the learner themselves, we have the ability to then put those pieces together for the customer based on what they actually need. Graduate School USA, learn today, impact tomorrow.